how to add QR code sensor on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So you will see wallpaper and style is here. So click on wallpaper and style. So click on lock screen. So after click on lock screen, you will see left and right shortcut is here. So if you want to add QR sensor code, so click on shortcut and click on no app. So after click on no app, click on this plus icon. Scroll down and you will see scan QR code is here. So click on scan QR code sensor. So after click on this shortcut, click on done and you will see QR code sensor is add on lock screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add QR code sensor on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.